Congress party's poll pitch in Kashmir is only getting shriller, and with Rahul Gandhi in the United States, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is leading the charge. In the latest barb, he has directly taken potshots at PM Modi. Without spelling it out in as many words, Kharge branded the Prime Minister a panauti or a jinx yet again.
हर जगह इनका कहाँ मोदी साहब के हाथ से उद्घाटन होता है, लोग बोलते हैं पवित्र हाथ से उद्घाटन करवाना। अब पवित्र हाथ थे, कौन से हाथ थे मुझे मालूम नहीं, कि कहीं भी पुल गिर रहे, कहीं बाढ़ आ रही तो उसको ये रोकने के लिए पैसे नहीं दे रहे। तो ये स्थिति देश में है।
This mockery, viewers, followed Kharge's jail threat to his political rivals when he said that had the opposition won 20 more seats, all of them would have been sent to jail. Kharge was referring to the performance of the opposition alliance or the INDI bloc, which won 234 out of the 543 Lok Sabha seats. The BJP, which had set an ambitious target of 400 par, stopped at only 240, but formed a government as part of the NDA. When confronted, Kharge said he was only stating facts.
देखो, धमकी मैं नहीं दे रहा हूँ, ये तो फैक्ट है। तो कोई भी बात करते वक्त बड़े होशियारी से बात करना, 56 इंच नहीं बताना और किसी को डराना नहीं, तो ये बात हम बताएं।
At a time when Rahul Gandhi is in the United States calling Indian democracy broken, the BJP described these utterances as an exhibit of what it called the emergency mindset.
And everyone knows, as far as Panauti is concerned, who is Panauti? See, Pappu and Panauti go together. Wherever Pappu has touched, it has converted into destruction only. He has touched the Congress party. The day he touched the Congress party as their vice president, and since he became the president, he is the biggest Panauti of the Congress party today. कभी जीती नहीं कांग्रेस पार्टी, और लिख के लीजिए, जब तक वो हैं तब तक कांग्रेस पार्टी उठ नहीं सकती है। फ्यूल नहीं है रॉकेट में, लॉन्च नहीं हो पाएगा।
खड़गे जी बोलते हैं कि अगर हमारी 20 और सीटें आ जाती तो हम इन सभी लोगों को जेल में डाल देते। यही मानसिकता है कि सभी को जेल में डाल दो। 99 सीटें क्या आई, तो अब किस प्रकार से अहंकारी मानसिकता, तो ये कब्जे वाली मानसिकता, विपक्ष के नेताओं को जेल में डालने वाली मानसिकता दरअसल किसकी है, ये आज समझ में आ रहा है। क्योंकि ये इंदिरा वाली मानसिकता, इमरजेंसी भी कांग्रेस ने ही लगाया था, और जब इमरजेंसी लगाया था, संविधान को कुचला था, तब विपक्ष को जेल में डालने का काम इंदिरा गांधी ने किया था, और आज भी वही डीएनए है।
Now, to put things into perspective, Rahul Gandhi, while interacting with reporters in the US, had said that Indian democracy has been under attack for the last 10 years. He went on to claim that our democracy is essentially broken.
We fought an election with our bank accounts frozen. Right now, I don't know. I mean, I don't know any democracy where that's happened. Maybe, that type of thing happens in Syria or used to happen in Iraq. But we literally sat during our election and spoke to our treasurer, and he says, well, we have no money. Right? Now, you can have a resilient voter. You still need to run campaigns. You still need to have conversations. You still need to have meetings. I'm the only person in Indian history to get a prison sentence for defamation. Right? We have a chief minister who's in jail right now. So, one way of saying it is, yes, the Indian voter is very resilient, and he stands like a rock. Absolutely, he does. But the Indian voter requires an architecture to work on. Well, I can say to you that Indian democracy for the last 10 years was broken.
But it's on an upward trajectory.
It's fighting back, but it was broken. I have seen the government of Maharashtra just being taken away from us. So I've seen it with my own eyes. I've watched it as our legislators have been bought and hooked off and suddenly became BJP legislators. So Indian democracy has been under attack, has been very badly weakened, and now it's fighting back. And I'm confident that it'll fight back.
However, the Congress party has come out in staunch defense of its leaders. They believe that both Kharge and Rahul have said nothing wrong, and they've asked why the NDA is silent when such threats are made by BJP leaders.
What is the objection? They go about using all kinds of words for our leaders who are no more. Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Indira ji. I mean, only yesterday the BJP leader stands up and threatens Mr. Rahul Gandhi and saying we'll do the same to you what was done to your grandmother. How can the BJP even protest on something as harmless as the word Panoti?
But clearly not all are on board the idea of making such comments with the Congress chief Kharge. While Congress's INDI bloc allies do not condone their statements, they believe that the Prime Minister's war against corruption has only been a farce.
ये एक हकीकत है कि देश ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को दिया था 2014 में मैंडेट, मैसिव मैंडेट दिया था कि उन्होंने कहा था कि ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा, लेकिन हकीकत यह है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर, उसके बाद ये पता चला कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए कोई करप्शन इशू नहीं है। मंदिर भी जो हैं वो टपक रहे हैं, उसका पानी टपक रहा है, और पुल जो हैं वो गिर रहे हैं। ये जो सारा चीज़ है ये लोगों के जो टैक्स पेयर हैं उनका पैसा है, उसका सत्यानाश हो रहा है। जो अपोजिशन है वो इसमें रोल अदा करे।
So that is a face-off that is